Hey Toyrappers, welcome to ToyRap Gashapon Surprise, where we take quarters from this Peanuts cup, stick it into this toy vending machine, and see what kinds of cool toy surprises we get out. Are you guys ready? Let's see what happens.
ToyRap.
Okay, I'm going to take 4 quarters out of this cup because 4 quarters equals $1. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Spin the wheel. And we got a purple capsule. Looks like out of our first capsule, we have a Thomas and Friends mini train. And it's a green train with a brown trim around the side. And it looks like some sort of chain. I don't know why it's white, maybe it's snow. This train is called, it says on the bottom, it says Emily. And the wheels move and the train is very detailed. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to connect it to the rest of my Thomas mini trains. Moving right along, let's take 4 more quarters out. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4, that's $1. Gashapon. And it looks like we got a clear capsule. Super Mario Brothers. And this is Mario from the Super Mario Brothers. And he looks like he's going to do a run into a fly. Did you guys know that because of the name Super Mario Brothers, that means the last name of the brothers is Mario, and therefore Mario's last name is Mario, and therefore his full name is Mario Mario. Wow. And it also comes with a flower. Do you guys know what this flower does when Mario gets it? Let me know in the comments below. You guys sit over here, sit tight. Okay, what's next? Four quarters again. 1, 2, 3, 4, $1. Spin the wheel. We got an orange capsule. Let's see what we got. We got 3 surprises in this capsule. We have 3 Pokemon characters. We got 1 silver one with this red dot in the center. We have 1 little dinosaur that's red. And we have this little guy, which is interesting. He has red and tan colors on him. Pretty interesting. All right, let's put them aside. These are Pokemon characters. That was 3 capsules, and now we have 2 left. We need more quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Spin the wheel. Blue capsule. This is a Star Wars figure. Do you guys know who this is? He's kind of a rare one. This is the little guy next to Jabba the Hutt in Star Wars Return of the Jedi. And he kind of just sits on things. See if I can make him sit. On this capsule. No, they're all falling apart. Oh no, jeez. Okay, what a mess. Okay, this is the 5th and final capsule. Let's get 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin the wheel. got another peach colored one. This is interesting. This is a Robin figure, and he is extremely detailed. Robin is holding some sort of weapon, but it looks kind of like a steel pipe. And Robin has this very nice cape, this yellow and black cape on him. And his hair is blue. Very cool. This is Robin. All right, Toyrappers, thank you for joining me in this week's episode of ToyRap Gashapon Surprise. This week we got a lot of cool toys, including a Robin figure, a figure from Star Wars, Jabba the Hutt, some Pokemon minifigures, Super Mario, and a little power-up, which you guys are going to tell me in the comments below what that gives Mario, and a Thomas and Friends mini named Emily. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. My name is Andrew Dozo, and that's a Toy Rap.